Well, there she is. There she is. The largest pours in South Florida. It's about to happen Saturday night starting. 7,000 yards. We're doing our final walkthrough now. It's October 11th. Ironworkers did a beautiful job. Carpenters did a beautiful job. These are our screeds that we're going to run our power screeds on. I think it's 60,000 square feet. But it will be one of the largest pours ever in Florida, that's for sure. Got 70, 80, and 90 guys just in finishing. Be another 400 or 500 guys on site. It's 5 feet thick. Beautiful work. We're going to start Saturday about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, start filling it up. Next crew will come in at 8. We're going to have 5 boom pumps, 700 trucks of concrete. Should be exciting. Stay tuned.